The year is 2025, and the world is watching the Middle East with bated breath. For the first time in over a decade, Iran has officially launched its Sejjil 2-stage, long-range solid-fuel ballistic missile in active combat, marking a significant escalation in regional tensions and a bold demonstration of power. Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we dive into the re-emergence of one of Iran's most formidable missile systems, the Sejjil, and what its use in 2025 means for the future of warfare in the region. The Sejjil missile isn't new. First tested in 2008, this solid-fueled, road-mobile ballistic missile had largely remained in Iran's arsenal as a symbol of deterrence. With a reported range of around 2,000 kilometers, the Sejjil can strike targets deep inside enemy territory, reaching Israel, U.S. bases in the Gulf, and potentially even parts of southeastern Europe. What makes it especially dangerous is its mobility, speed, and launch readiness. Unlike liquid-fueled missiles that require time-consuming preparation, the Sejjil can be fueled and launched quickly, making it much harder to detect and intercept before liftoff. In June 2025, Iran broke years of silence and speculation by using the Sejjil in an unprecedented strike. The missile was reportedly launched from deep within Iranian territory, targeting military installations in Israel as part of a retaliatory operation. The Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps claimed the missiles were equipped with advanced guidance systems and submunition payloads. While the exact effectiveness remains debated, what's clear is that the missile penetrated multiple layers of Israeli air defense at least partially before being intercepted. This event has major implications. First, it confirmed what many defense analysts feared, that Iran has not only maintained but improved the Sejjil program behind closed doors. Satellite imagery and leaks had previously suggested upgrades, but now the world has seen the results firsthand. There are unconfirmed reports suggesting the 2025 Sejjil variant may have improved maneuverability and payload separation, possibly as a step toward eventual MIRV or multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicle capabilities. Second, it signals a shift in Iran's military doctrine. The Sejjil's deployment means Iran is now willing to put its longest-range missiles into active use, not just as a deterrent but as an operational weapon. That's a big deal. It raises questions about how regional power set and global superpowers will respond. Already, satellite intelligence shows Israel repositioning Iron Dome and Arrow 3 batteries, while Gulf states are scrambling to reassess their own missile defense networks. For viewers who've been tracking this for years, this is a moment that changes the rules. The Sejjil is no longer just a shadow in military parades or a name in war games. It's real, it's operational, and in 2025, it was fired in anger. That's it for today's breakdown. If you found this analysis insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Rolling Legends will be tracking every development in this high-stakes game. Stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next one.